Welcome back. Now we are going to look at one-to-many eloquent relationship. And one-to-many relationship is used to define relationships where a single model owns any amount of other models. So here we're going to use an example of a user who has an infinite number of jobs, and each job belongs to that user. So we're going to place the job method on the user model, which we'll call the has many. And then on the inverse of that relationship, we are going to place the user method on the job model, which will use the belongs to. So as you can see here, we have user 1 who has job 1 and job 2. User 2 has job 3 and job 4. So just like I've said, one-to-many uses the has many and belongs to for relation. And the jobs table will store the user ID. And remember, Eloquent will automatically determine the proper foreign key for this relationship. That's why by default it will assume SCI is the user ID, but you're free to override this convention, which you're going to do, and using our own custom key name that you want to use, which is client ID. So in the next lecture we'll see how this relationship are done.